Layering up Spam, rice, and edamames will make this egg recipe exciting. This is BethBacod. Thank you for watching.
Eating an egg, just plain old egg, every day might be healthy, but it can be boring.
A boiled egg has only 78 calories. It's high in protein and keeps you full a long time. And because you're satisfied, it reduces cravings for sugary food. So it's excellent in many ways. Excellent for losing weight,
but boring.
Excellent for cutting sugar in your diet,
but boring.
Eggs are easy to prepare, readily available, and not expensive.
But boring.
So let's take the boring out of eggs. A can of Spam can always help. For this recipe, I'm using 3 slices of Spam. I microwave them for about 2 minutes. I cut the Spam into cubes and I mix them with some rice. Just a little bit of rice, not a lot. I seasoned it with oyster sauce, no salt. The oyster sauce is already seasoned with salt. I put some sesame oil. Mix, mix, mix. Get all the sauces in the Spam and rice. Then I add some edamames, perfect for the crunch. I must have some crunch. The crunch makes the eating exciting. Remember, we're trying to make eating eggs exciting. Now let's layer up our cup. Layer up our cup. Hey, that's a rhyme. More edamames, more crunch, and even more crunch with the cucumbers. Next, layer up the Spam, rice, and edamames. Now all that deliciousness and crunch should make eating an egg exciting and not
boring.
Sweet, salty, tangy, and bland flavor. That's called Asian. Asian flavor egg topper. Here's to a high protein breakfast or snack.
Click the arrow below to see more recipes. Please consider subscribing. Thank you. Bye for now. See you soon.